So you like to pretend that you're a knight going through a portal when you clear out the dishwasher?
The dishes are going through the portal.
The dishes are going through the portal, okay. And are the dishes armor, or what are the dishes?
Armor.
Okay.
Just like... Why not? Could be her shield.
Okay. But then do you actually put it away?
Yeah. Open it.
She's teaching us how to clear out the dishwasher. Okay. Me and the rest of the world who might ever see this video. Okay. Any other tips or tricks that someone should know if they wanted to learn how to clear out the dishwasher?
The cups, I just make a castle.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay, show us this castle here.
It's just a triangle, technically.
Oh, just the design on the shelf.
Yeah, but if there's not enough, and if this is here, I pretend that this is the princess. Then I put her in the corner. And then the guards are guarding the castle.
Okay,
Like this.
I see. Okay.
And I just try to hide it, and so the next time we drink orange juice, I can use it.
Okay.
So,
Any other tips or tricks someone who's clearing out a dishwasher should know?
I try to make this into like a butterfly thing. I just try to do 6 of these, and so it goes all the way around.
Okay.
And I just put the jar right in here.
Okay. Any other tips if you were talking to yourself? Let's say that there's a Constance from another dimension who's never cleared out a dishwasher before. Anything else that she should know? No? Okay.
But with these, all the butter knives I do at the same time, all the forks I do at the same time, all the sharp knives I try to do at the same time. But usually they're big and fat.
So why do you do them all at the same time?
Because it's faster.
Okay.
Usually I want to play a game.
Okay. Any jokes that you know that you want to share?
No.
No jokes?
No, I'm horrible at this.
Okay. Well, sounds good. That's all.
What?